But what if I told you there's a solution? A new way of doing things online that's safe, secure, and fair for everyone. This solution is called Neo Blockchain. Blockchain technology is a big deal right now. But not all blockchains are the same. Some are slow, some are expensive, and some are just too complicated to use. That's where Neo stands out. Neo is a next-generation blockchain, built to make transactions and digital interactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. It's especially useful for the networking community, people who need to communicate, share, and work together easily, no matter where they are. In this video, we'll break down exactly how Neo works and why it's so beneficial for the networking community. Neo is a blockchain platform designed to make digital transactions quick, secure, and low cost. It's often called the Ethereum of China because it offers similar features to Ethereum, but has some key differences that make it even more powerful, especially for global networks. Neo Blockchain is like a digital ledger that records all online transactions. It's decentralized, meaning no single person or organization controls it. This makes it nearly impossible for hackers to manipulate or steal your data. As of 2022, over 60% of the world's population is online. But our current internet is plagued by data breaches, hacking, and manipulation. It's time for a change. Let's first talk about the issues we face today. If you've ever tried to send money internationally, you know how long it can take. You might have to wait a few days for a bank transfer to clear, and you might get charged a hefty fee for the service. And that's just money. If you want to share important documents, data, or even code with others, you often have to rely on central services or third parties to make that happen. These systems are slow, they cost money, and there's always a risk of something going wrong. Now, think about a world where things move faster and you don't need a middleman for anything. That's exactly what Neo brings to the table. Neo Blockchain's architecture is designed for high performance and scalability, enabling fast transaction processing. Neo's use of advanced cryptography protocols, such as elliptic curve cryptography. Neo ensures secure data transmission. These are self-executing contracts where the terms are written into code. Once they are set, they automatically execute when conditions are met. This eliminates the need for a middleman and makes everything more efficient. Neo Global Development, NGD, a leading blockchain technology company that provides development, consulting, and investment services for the Neo ecosystem. Neo supports digital assets like tokens, and these assets can represent anything from money to documents to property. These can be transferred instantly and securely across the globe. Security and trust blockchain is known for being secure, and Neo takes it a step further with its innovative features. Data is safeguarded and online transactions are secure, transparent, and fair. Welcome to the Neo Blockchain ecosystem. Neo Blockchain's decentralized ledger ensures that transactions are tamper-proof and transparent. Neo Blockchain's decentralized governance model ensures that decision-making power is distributed among stakeholders. Neo's user-friendly interface and accessible documentation make it easy for developers and users to participate. Neo's community is open to diverse perspectives, promoting inclusivity and social responsibility. Neo Blockchain's smart contract functionality enables the creation of complex, self-executing contracts. Why Neo matters to networking communities. So, why should you care about Neo? If you're a part of any network or community that shares information, collaborates, or works on projects together, Neo can solve many of the problems you're likely facing. Here's how. 1. Fast and efficient transactions. Neo can process thousands of transactions per second. So whether you're sending money, transferring data, or just moving digital assets around, things happen in the blink of an eye. No more waiting for days or worrying about delays. 2. Cost-effective. Traditional systems often come with high fees. Think of all the service charges, transaction costs, and middlemen involved. Neo removes all those extra steps, lowering costs for everyone involved. Whether you're sending money to a colleague, sharing documents, or even making payments, you'll save a lot more than you would using traditional banking or financial systems. 3. Decentralized applications, dApps. Neo supports decentralized applications, or dApps. These are applications that run on the blockchain, not on a centralized server. Why does this matter? It means your data and your applications aren't controlled by one company or entity. They are distributed across the network, making them more secure and less likely to be compromised. In a networking community, this is huge because it ensures that everyone has control over their data and resources. How Neo can help specific networking communities. The future of Neo and networking communities. The future is all about connectivity. As we continue to work and collaborate more digitally, the tools we use need to be faster, safer, and more user-friendly. Neo is positioned to help lead that change by providing the infrastructure for decentralized networks that anyone can join and benefit from. In a world where everything is moving faster and demands for efficiency are higher than ever, Neo is a powerful tool for the networking community. It solves the problems of slow transactions, high fees, and lack of trust. It gives developers, businesses, and individuals the ability to collaborate, create, and communicate in a way that wasn't possible before. Why Neo is better than traditional systems. 1. Faster transactions. Traditional banking systems and even some blockchains take minutes to hours to process transactions. Neo's consensus mechanism enables transactions to be processed in seconds. 2. Lower costs. Intermediaries like banks and payment processors take a cut from every transaction. Neo eliminates these middlemen, significantly reducing transaction fees. 3. Enhanced security. Because it is decentralized and encrypted, Neo is more secure than traditional centralized systems, which are vulnerable to hacking and fraud. 4. More efficient smart contracts. Neo's multi-language support makes it easier for developers to build decentralized applications, dApps, without learning a new programming language. 5. Scalability. Neo can process up to 10,000 transactions per second compared to Ethereum's 30 TPS. This scalability makes Neo suitable for enterprise-level applications. Neo's impact on the networking community. The internet connects billions of people worldwide, but existing communication and transaction systems are inefficient and insecure. Neo provides a solution by enabling instant, secure file sharing without relying on third-party services. Decentralized communication networks free from censorship. Automated business contracts that execute instantly and transparently. Cross-border payments that are fast, cheap, and seamless. By adopting Neo, the networking community can create a fairer, more open digital world. Use cases of Neo blockchain. 1. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Neo enables lending, borrowing, and trading of digital assets without traditional banks, making financial services accessible to all. 2. Supply chain management. With Neo's blockchain, companies can track and verify products in real time, ensuring transparency and authenticity. 3. Digital identity and authentication. Neo's digital identity solutions can be used for secure logins, voting systems, and online verifications. 4. Gaming and NFTs. Neo supports blockchain-based games and NFT marketplaces, enabling players to truly own in-game assets. 5. Smart cities. Governments can use Neo for secure data storage, citizen authentication, and efficient public services. The future of Neo blockchain. Neo is continuously evolving, with major upgrades such as Neo N3, which enhances efficiency, security, and usability. Future developments include interoperability with other blockchains for seamless cross-chain transactions, improved smart contract functionality with more user-friendly tools, Wider adoption in real-world industries like healthcare, logistics, and digital identity. As more developers and businesses adopt NEO, its impact on the blockchain industry will only grow. NEO is not just another blockchain, it is a revolutionary platform that enhances digital transactions and networking. With its fast transactions, low fees, strong security, and multi-language smart contract support, NEO is well positioned to drive the future of decentralized. To understand the NEO Breakchain network, it's crucial to first take a step back and examine the broader landscape of blockchain technologies. Blockchains are typically isolated entities, with each having its own consensus mechanism, cryptographic protocols, and use cases. Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Solana, for example, each function independently from one another. While this provides security and autonomy, it also limits the capacity for cross-network interaction. NEO Breakchain was born out of a need to solve these issues by introducing a model that connects disparate blockchains into one cohesive ecosystem. The term breakchain refers to breaking down the silos between different blockchains and allowing them to communicate with each other. Instead of treating blockchains as isolated islands, NEO Breakchain seeks to create a mesh of interconnected networks that can exchange data, assets, and other forms of value seamlessly. This vision of interoperability allows NEO Breakchain to unlock the potential for cross-chain decentralized applications, dApps, decentralized finance, DeFi products, and other innovations that were previously impossible or highly cumbersome to execute. How NEO Breakchain works, a deep dive. At its core, NEO Breakchain is based on modular architecture that enables different blockchains to coexist and interact in a decentralized manner. Each blockchain in the NEO Breakchain ecosystem operates independently but can also be broken or connected to others when needed. This ensures that data and assets can flow freely between blockchains without the need for centralized intermediaries. The tale of NEO Elevate, pioneers of the blockchain frontier. The dawn of NeoX. In the bustling digital cosmos of blockchain, the launch of NeoX was like the opening of a new frontier, a sidechain designed for speed, fairness, and innovation. With the Ethereum virtual machine at its core, NeoX promised a land where ideas could flourish without the shackles of miner extractable value, MEV. And to populate this new world, NEO introduced the Elevate program, a beacon of opportunity shining with a $20 million promise to XFun, the gaming traders. Once upon this new digital era, a project named XFun set its sights on NeoX. They envisioned a trading platform not just for the elite, but for the everyday adventurer in the crypto world. With a touch of innovation, they crafted a place where trading was a game, where every trade could be a quest, every profit a trophy. The Elevate program's investment track was their golden ticket. With the funds, XFun expanded its horizons onto NeoX, merging their game-like interface with the security and speed of the new sidechain. Their community grew, not just in numbers but in spirit, as traders from all walks of life joined in, turning what was once a solitary journey into a communal festival of finance. The genesis of creativity. In the lush fields of the Genesis track, young projects sprouted like wildflowers. Here, the story of an unnamed game studio unfolded, where AI was not just a tool but a companion in gameplay. Their grant from Elevate was the sunlight needed for their seed of an idea to grow. They crafted games where every player's journey was unique, leading to a beta phase that buzzed with excitement and anticipation. Not far from this digital meadow, an artist's dream took shape. A marketplace for NFTs where the creators, not the platform, were the stars. With the Elevate grant, they built a space where art was not just seen but felt, where every piece told a story, and every transaction was a celebration. Artists found a home, and the marketplace became a gallery of dreams. And in the quiet corners of NeoX, a social network was born. One where privacy wasn't just a feature but a foundation. The grant from Elevate nurtured this vision, leading to an MVP that whispered of a world where users, not corporations, owned their data. Early adopters flocked to this sanctuary of digital freedom. The investment track, scaling the heights. The investment track was the mountain path for those ready to scale new heights. A liquidity protocol, once a mere concept, now stood as a beacon on NeoX. With the Elevate funds, they not only climbed but soared, solving the puzzle of slippage, making trading smoother for everyone. Their success was a testament to the power of community and innovation. As trading volume soared and the ecosystem of NeoX grew richer, another tale unfolded with a stablecoin project, daring to redefine stability with partial collateralization. The Elevate program's support was the wind. Why is Neo different? Understanding Elevate, Neo's support program. Now that we have a basic understanding of Neo's smart economy, let's talk about one of its most exciting initiatives, the Elevate program. Think of Elevate as Neo's way of helping people and businesses bring their innovative ideas to life. It provides financial support, mentoring, and resources to developers, startups, and organizations working on blockchain projects. What is the Elevate program? The Elevate program is designed to 1. Encourage innovation. It supports creative ideas that can improve the blockchain ecosystem. 2. Provide funding. It offers financial assistance to promising projects in the form of grants and investments. 3. Build partnerships. It connects participants with experts, mentors, and other organizations to foster collaboration. 4. Promote adoption. It aims to increase the use of Neo's blockchain solutions globally. In short, the Elevate program is like a toolbox filled with everything you need to build your dream blockchain project. Who can apply for Elevate? The program is open to developers, individuals, or teams creating innovative blockchain-based applications, startups, small businesses with ideas to solve real-world problems using blockchain, organizations, established companies looking to expand their blockchain capabilities. For example, if you're a developer with a great idea for a decentralized app, dApp, but don't have the money to get started, Elevate can help. If you're a startup that has already launched a product, but needs more funds to grow, Elevate has options for you too. What does Elevate offer? The Elevate program has two main components. 1. Elevate grants. 2. Elevate investments. We'll break each one down in detail next. Elevate grants, funding your ideas. What are Elevate grants? Elevate grants are financial awards given to developers, startups, or organizations to help them work on blockchain projects. Unlike a loan, you don't have to pay back a grant. It's like a gift to help you succeed. How do Elevate grants work? 1. Application. Submit an application explaining your idea. Include details like what problem your project solves, how it works, and why it's unique. 2. Review. Experts from the Neo team review your application. They look for innovative, realistic, and impactful ideas. 3. Approval. If your idea is selected, you'll receive funding. The amount depends on the scope and potential of your project. Real-life example, meet Saar and her dApp. Saar is a developer who dreams of creating a dApp for farmers. Her app would connect farmers with buyers directly, cutting out middlemen and increasing profits for farmers. But Saar doesn't have the money to develop her app. She applies for an Elevate grant. In her application, she explains the problem: farmers are losing money to middlemen. Her solution: a blockchain-based app that connects farmers and buyers directly. Many people hesitate to donate due to lack of transparency. Her plan: use Neo's smart contracts to ensure all donations go directly to the charity. Ria's project is selected and she receives a grant to get started. With help from Neo mentors, she learns to build her app and launch it successfully. What is the partner track? The partner track is for established organizations that already have a blockchain project or business and want to scale it further. This track provides investments to help you expand, opportunities to collaborate with Neo's network of partners, Support for large-scale growth. Example, growing with the partner track. Now, let's meet Ali, the CEO of a logistics company. Ali's company uses blockchain to track shipments and ensure timely deliveries. His business is doing well locally, but he wants to expand into international markets. Ali applies to the partner track and explains his current success. Hundreds of clients use his blockchain solution. His goal, expand to 5 new countries within 2 years. His funding needs money to hire staff and adapt his platform for different markets. Ali's project is selected and Neo invests in his company. With Neo support, Ali is able to grow his business and make a bigger impact. Which track should you choose? Here's a simple way to decide. If you're just starting with an idea, go for the Genesis track. If you're already established and want to grow, the partner track is for you. How to apply for Elevate? Whether you're interested in the Genesis track or the partner track, the application process is straightforward. 1. Prepare your idea, write a clear description of your project. 2. Choose the right track, decide whether Genesis or partner fits your needs. 3. Submit your application. Fill out the online form and include all necessary details. 4. Await review. Neo's team will evaluate your idea and provide feedback. The Neo Smart Economies Elevate program is more than just a funding opportunity. It's a chance to be part of a growing blockchain ecosystem that values innovation, collaboration, and impact. Whether you're starting fresh or looking to scale, Elevate offers the support you need to turn your ideas into reality. If you're passionate about creating solutions that make a difference, there's no better time to explore the possibilities with Neo and Elevate. Your journey to building the future could start here. Let me know if you'd like to explore any part of this in more detail. So, if you're looking to be part of something that's going to make a real difference, Neo is a platform you should pay attention to. The blockchain revolution is here, and Neo is leading the charge. Do well to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.